Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to achieve a natural makeup look. Makeup can be a wonderful tool for enhancing our natural beauty, but sometimes it can be easy to go overboard and create a look that feels too heavy or unnatural. If you're looking to achieve a more subtle and natural makeup look, here are some tips to get you started. Start with a clean canvas. The key to any makeup look is to begin with a fresh, clean face. Make sure to cleanse and moisturize your skin before applying any makeup. This will help create a smooth base for your foundation and ensure that your makeup lasts longer throughout the day. Choose a light coverage foundation. For a natural look, opt for a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply a small amount to your face and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge or foundation brush. You can also skip foundation altogether and opt for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream for a more natural finish. Conceal with care. To cover any blemishes or dark circles, use a concealer that matches your skin tone. Apply a small amount to the problem areas and blend it out with your fingers or a small brush. Make sure to blend the edges of the concealer to avoid any harsh lines. Keep it simple with eyeshadow. For a natural look, stick to neutral shades like browns, beiges, and taupes. Apply a light wash of color to your lids with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, focusing on the crease and outer corner of your eye. You can also add a bit of shimmer to the inner corner of your eye for a subtle highlight. Define your lashes. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler and apply a coat of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. You can also opt for a brown or clear mascara for a more natural finish. Add a touch of color. For a natural flush, use a cream blush or tint on the apples of your cheeks. Smile and apply the product in a circular motion, blending it out towards your temples. You can also use a bit of lipstick or lip stain on your lips for a subtle pop of color. Finish with a setting spray. To lock in your makeup and keep it looking fresh all day, finish with a setting spray. This will also help to control any excess oil and prevent your makeup from smudging or fading. Remember, the key to a natural makeup look is to keep things simple and focus on enhancing your natural features. With these tips, you can master the art of a natural makeup look and feel confident and beautiful every day. And there you have it, my tips for achieving a natural makeup look. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel inspired to try out some of these techniques on your own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle content. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.